All right, today we're gonna bring some LED lights for your steps or pretty much anything. You can put them on your garden or your entrances. These are LED lights. They're all set up, embedded in the actual metal. They have different colors. They only require 2 screws. We're gonna turn it around and see what else you can do with them. So let's go ahead and take a look in the back. All right, first of all, they give you a neutral and a hot. That's all you need right here. Now, the option is that you have 5,000K, 4,000K, and 3,000K for the different types of lumens, all right? We're gonna set this up, and of course, if you guys notice, they have to be facing down, all right? Make sure they're facing down, not up, or the light's gonna go the opposite way. But depending on where you wanna set these up, it could be either or. I've seen them sideways, but they don't look good. Just make sure you properly set them up, all right? So let's set them up and see how they look at night. So check out the lights, guys, and these are on some steps. And at night it's super dark in here, so when you're walking up, you could set 2 of them up, 1 of them up. Right now we're at the 5,000 mark. We're gonna take a look at them and see how they work. Change it to 5,000 to a lower case in here, so we're gonna go even lower. You can see the light difference from 5K to the lowest that we have settings, all right? Perfect lights for steps like here. If you're walking at night, there's gonna illuminate everywhere. If you have a pool, you can set them by the pool. You can set them by an entrance. You can set them by the hallway, or even outside, indoor and outdoor. So they're outdoor graded, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.